everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set your Google Photos as default gallery. So while you cannot technically set your Google Photos as your default gallery app in same way you would set a default browser, but you can make it your primary photo viewing and management app. So open the Google Photos app and use it to view and manage all your photos and videos. So for this, you can simply disable other gallery apps. Go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you need to scroll down below and go to your apps. So once you're in your apps, you need to scroll down below and find your gallery option. So once you find the gallery app itself, you can simply tap on it and simply disable it. So once you have disabled your gallery app, Google Photos will consider syncing and doing your cloud storage. So by doing this, you can simply view your photos from Google Photos, but you cannot actually set it as your default gallery. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.